they have what's called the quick cash loan. So as you can see right here, there's no credit check required. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. It helps our content and we appreciate the support. So first and foremost, I just want to say happy 2022 to all the Credit Plug subscribers and viewers. 2021 was a huge year, and 2022 is going to be even bigger. So make sure you turn on post notifications so you get all the latest alerts on the content that we drop, because we definitely have a lot of gems that we're going to be dropping in 2022. So in today's video, we have another credit union review, potentially another major game changer. I'll let you guys decide, but I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that Maryland probably has the best credit unions in the United States. Now, I'm not going to say that without also acknowledging Pennsylvania as well as Virginia, but between those three states, you'll find the best credit unions in the country. But let me just remind you guys of all the great credit union gems that come out of Maryland. So we got SECU of Maryland. We got Nassau Federal Credit Union. We have NIH Federal Credit Union. We have Lafayette Credit Union. We have Tower Federal Credit Union. So there's a ton of great credit unions that come out of Maryland. And these credit unions are open to anyone throughout the country. So there's no geographic restrictions. So in today's video, we're going to be going over another great credit union. This is going to be Security Plus Federal Credit Union. Now, Security Plus Federal Credit Union is based out of the Baltimore area. However, anyone is eligible to join through the American Consumer Council. So for those who don't know what the American Consumer Council is, it's a nonprofit consumer advocacy group, and the ACC is one of the best ways to become eligible for hundreds of different credit unions and financial institutions. So if you haven't already, make sure you join the American Consumer Council. Probably the best $15 that you'll ever spend. So it's $15 for a lifetime membership, and that gets you into dozens and dozens of different credit unions. Security Plus Federal Credit Union offers a variety of different financial products, both on the personal and on the business side. So on the personal side, we're talking about personal credit cards, personal lines of credit, personal loans. You have no credit check quick loans. You have credit builder loans. On the business side, you also have business credit cards, business lines of credit, business vehicle loans, commercial real estate loans. You also have secured business lines of credit, where you can use different assets that you have as collateral to get a line of credit. So here we are on the Security Plus Federal Credit Union website. And what's really interesting is that they have a stock photo of what appears to be New York City, but this is based out of Baltimore. I thought that was pretty funny. But anyways, membership is pretty wide open. So let's just go over some of the membership eligibility. So basically, if you live, work, worship, or attend school in Baltimore City, if you have a family member, household member of an existing credit union member, individuals who are employed or retired with select employee groups, and then any consumer may be eligible to join the credit union through the American Consumer Council. So basically, during the application process, what they'll eventually do is ask you for your membership ID with American Consumer Council. So all you got to do is go on to American Consumer Council. You hit this join button right here. And as you can see right here, lifetime membership is only $15. Now, after you pay your fee, they'll send you an email that has your ACC certificate, and it'll have your membership ID. So you can still apply for Security Plus Federal Credit Union if you don't already sign up with ACC, but eventually they will ask for this document. So it's probably best to just sign up with ACC. And remember, make sure you keep your certificate, because you're going to be able to use that for other credit unions besides just this one. So now let's check out their personal credit products. First, I wanted to go over their credit cards. Now, I've taken a look at some of their credit cards. Now, they don't offer a lot of different credit cards. They have their Platinum Rewards Visa, their Signature Rewards Visa. They also have a Student Visa and a Shared Secured Visa. So now I'm not 100% sure if this Shared Secured Visa does unsecured, but this is going to be for people who are rebuilding credit. They also have this Student Visa for maybe students, people who are in college. But the other two credit cards are going to be the Signature Rewards Visa. This has 0% APR APR on purchases and balance transfers for 12 months. And it has a $150 bonus when you spend $1,000 within the first 90 days. So that's not too bad. And then you also have this Platinum Rewards Visa. So this is going to be the lower interest rate credit card. So as you can see, this has a standard variable APR from 10% to 18%, whereas the Signature Rewards Visa has 11.25% to 18%. And this is going to be after the introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers. But the special offer on the Platinum Rewards is 4.99% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 12 months. And it also has a 2,500 point bonus after your first purchase of $100 or more. So I'm not quite sure which of these would be the better option. Now, one thing to consider. Now, although this does have 0% APR on the first 12 months, it does have a 2.5% balance transfer fee, which when you compare this with other credit cards, this is actually pretty low. Most balance transfer fees are going to be around 3 to 4%. Now, this does have 4.99% APR on purchases and balance transfers. So it does have a balance transfer APR of 4.99%, but there's no balance transfer fee. So there is a trade-off, right? You have 0% APR with a 2.5% balance transfer fee. Then you have 4.99% APR with no balance transfer fee. So I would say this probably has more value. The Signature Rewards probably has more value in that first 12 months. But then afterwards, I would say the Platinum Rewards probably has more value, because if you want to transfer a balance after that, there's going to be no balance transfer fee, and then the standard APR is going to be slightly lower. Now, they offer a variety of different personal loan products. So they have the Signature Loan. So this is going to be your standard personal loan up to 60 months. They do have a 0.25% APR discount when you set up auto repayment, and they also have a personal line of credit. Now, their personal loans and personal lines of credit only go up to about $20,000. So it's not going to give you super high credit limits. They also have shared secured loans where you're going to put down your own deposit and they'll basically reissue the loan to you. This is a way for you to be able to borrow your own money, and it can help you with building up your credit. They also have your traditional credit builder loan. So with the credit builder loan, you're not coming out of pocket. Basically what they'll do is they'll report a loan anywhere from $500 all the way up to $3,500 with terms from 6 to 36 months. And you'll make payments to that loan. And at the end of the loan term, you'll get all of those proceeds back, and it'll help you build and reestablish your credit. So I think this is a great product. And then most interestingly, they have what's called the Quick Cash Loan. So as you can see right here, there's no credit check required. However, there is income verification. So they will require at least 2 copies of your most recent pay stubs at the time of application. You could borrow up to $500 on your first loan. And if you successfully paid off a quick loan in the past, you could borrow up to $1,000, and it's a 6-month term, a fixed APR. So I think this is a great entry-level type of product if you just want quick access to capital without having to undergo a credit check. So again, there's no credit check for the quick loan. However, there will be a credit check for any of the other loan products. Now, on the business lending side, they have a variety of different products as well. They have the Security Plus Cashback Visa card. You can earn 1.25% on all purchases, 3.99% APR intro rate for 12 months on all purchases and balance transfers. There's no annual fee, and it has credit limits up to $25,000 and a low variable APR. They also offer commercial real estate, equipment and machinery, investment property real estate, business vehicle loans, as well as a business line of credit. Now, one thing I will say about the business loan products, I did speak with a representative. So the personal products are going to be underwritten in-house. However, they do outsource their business lending products to a third party. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. So these may be subject to different underwriting standards. Now, some other data points I wanted to share with you about Security Plus Federal Credit Union. Now, just to recap, it is open to anyone. So there's no geographic restrictions. If you join through the American Consumer Council, then you will be eligible to join regardless of which state that you live in. In addition, they will do a check system. So they're going to pull your check systems. Now, they have their own threshold in terms of what they consider reasonable in terms of your check system. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. So if you owe any outstanding balances on any checking accounts or any demand deposit accounts, then that could be a potential roadblock in terms of you being able to join. In terms of who they're pulling for credit decisions, on the personal side, they use TransUnion exclusively. So they will pull your TransUnion. I'm not 100% sure if you're able to double dip, meaning that you can get multiple accounts with the same inquiry. I will do some further research to see if that is a possibility. Now, one downside about Security Plus Federal Credit Union that I did discover just through my research are some reviews talking about their customer service. Now, I did actually call them up and gather a lot of these insights and data points. And what I will say, it did take a while before I was able to connect with a representative. But after speaking with a representative, they were very friendly. They were able to provide a lot of valuable insights. So overall, I think this is potentially a great credit union that anyone can join. They have a variety of different products, from personal credit cards, personal loans, personal lines of credit. They have a credit builder loan. They also have a no credit check quick loan that you can get with no credit check. And they also have business lending products. Anyways, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. Let me know your comments and questions right down in the comment section below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.